All right, guys, super exciting. Here's the last thing to do, and that is give me all your curved pieces, like this back of my car, to be laser, or not laser cut, 3D printed. So if it's curved, it has to be 3D printed. So here's what you do. It's pretty simple. Make sure in your part studio, for me, I named mine RC car frame. It's just all my parts that I designed. And I'm gonna right click on the part, or you can come over here and the name of it for me is back. You can right click on that. Either way, it'll say export, and you're gonna export this as an STL file. You got all these choices here. Choose the format to be STL. Should also make sure your name is in here. So it tells you the file name is gonna be whatever you named your part studio. For me, it's the back piece. Make sure you keep the name of the piece in there, and then put your name in there as well. And now you have a couple of options. All this stuff's good. Your units should be in inches, right? Because that's what you did this in. And then you can leave all the rest alone. For options here, you can either download it to your computer, or you could store this file in Google Drive if you want. It doesn't matter to me, but you download it somehow and say, okay, now it's either on your computer or in your Google Drive. The last thing you need to do is, here, I'm going to pause for a second. Yeah, so the last thing you need to do is take that STL file, whether it's on your hard drive, on your computer, or in Google Drive, and submit that in Google Classroom. So your final thing you need to do is share the link to this file, and that's under share, link sharing. Grab that link and grab any STL files for 3D printing, and I will, or you will if you're in school, laser cut them and 3D print them. All right, good luck with all that. It's a big project, but you got this.